Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. You've probably come across Base44 and figured, well, what exactly is it? Today I'm going to answer that question and a whole bunch more. So ladies and gentlemen, there are tons of no-code app builders out there, but Base44 really stands out because it gives you more than just the opportunity to build your own app, right? So first of all, what it does is it gives you the opportunity to build an app just by simply inputting a simple prompt, right? This could be make me an app that does something specific. It could also be something more detailed, add this in, add that in. So there's lots of different things. But if you're sometimes like me and you've got that block, you just can't get it in your head and put it down on paper or in this text box, you can actually go ahead here and click on our templates. And here you can search for templates. So let's say you're looking for a productivity app. Let's say you're looking for a design app, whatever it is, you can actually go ahead here and let's see if they have a design app or a design template. Here you can see that there's tons of actual templates that you can use, which is great. So they're giving you more than just the opportunity to go ahead and create your own app. What is nice also is whatever you actually use, you clone the app and then you actually get to customize it with commands. So once you've created it, right over here in apps, I'll show you. So we've got this app over here that we've built, and this app, you can see on the left hand side of this app, you'll be able to see its thinking, and here to make any changes you can simply type in what you need to type in. So if you need changes made to the style, if you need changes made to how the layout is, the functionalities, add a button, remove a button, whatever it is, you can add it in all over here in just normal regular human-like conversation. Now I'm just going to go back over here and I'm going to go back to my workspace. What else it has is integrations. So if you go into integrations, you can go ahead and see all of the integrations that you can put in. You can plug in to your app. So if it's Google Places, Monday, eToro, Grok, whatever it is, and you will be obviously charged accordingly depending on what exactly you use. One of the other things is if you are uncertain and very serious about building an app, you can actually hire a partner directly from Base44. So over here it tells you everything about the actual creator, the partner, and how they can help you, what they actually specialize in. And that is very nice because for me, I have a great idea, but I don't always know how to execute it. On top of that, it also allows you to create a stream of income passively, and now you can join their affiliate program and you can actually go ahead and promote Base44 while you're using it, and you can actually make more income while you are building your app. So essentially, what is Base44? It is just a no-code AI app builder, but with a ton more features and a whole lot more to give.